I'm going to demonstrate a method for opening a combination lock, master combination lock, when we don't know the combination. And this method will work on many of these locks. It will not work on every single one, but it will work on many of your master combination locks. And it has to do with the feel. So you have to be familiar with how the lock feels. So the first thing you want to do is just take the lock and spin the lock clockwise and counterclockwise. See how smooth the dial turns. Then you want to put pressure, quite a bit of pressure, on your shackle and feel how it catches. You have to even release the shackle a little bit to go ahead and move it again. Do that both going clockwise and counterclockwise. Feel where it catches at, and it catches all around the dial. So the key to finding the combination is being able to apply just enough pressure on this shackle that it only catches in one spot going clockwise and one spot going counterclockwise. And that's the key to it. So to start out, spin the dial a few times just to clear it. I usually start at the 0. Then I'm going to apply mild pressure. Then I'm going to turn it clockwise. Okay, it's stuck right there on the 10. So now I can try it again just to make sure. Go ahead and spin it a few times, start back on the 0. Again, mild pressure. Turn it around and see if it does it again. Yeah, it caught a little bit. I didn't have maybe quite enough pressure, but I did feel it kind of stick there. I'm going to go ahead and do it again. A little bit more pressure. So it's stuck again. So I'm pretty sure our first number is 15. Whatever your sticky spot is on the first number, you add 5 to it. Only on the first number. So our number would be 15. So we'll write that down as the first number. So then I'll go ahead and clear the lock. And I'm going to, just like I'm going to work the combination, I'm going to come clockwise to 15. Now I'm going to put pressure on the shackle, and I'm going to turn it counterclockwise until the lock stops. Now the dial may go around 2 to 3 times before it stops. Okay, it stopped right there on the 2. So now that's not the second number. The second number is probably a little further up to the left up here. So if I turn it back clockwise like that, it's 35, 30, it's somewhere up here. But it's between the 15 and the 2 is where the second number should be at. So I'll go ahead and just clear the lock. And I'll come to the 0 to start. And I'll come around to the 15. I'm going to come around and I'm going to go past the 15, just like I was working the combination, to where that 2 was at, where the lock stuck at. Now I'm going to put mild pressure on the shackle again and turn it clockwise. Okay, I'm at 15. So I'm going to go back to the 2, and I'm going to put again mild pressure right there's a sticky point, 21. So 21 is more than likely the second number. Please take a moment and hit the like and subscribe buttons. Thank you. Okay, so we think we have our first 2 numbers, 15 and 21. So we just go ahead and work the combination. Again, clear your lock, spin it to the right 3 times, stop at 0, and come around to your first number, which we think is 15. And we come back around past the 15 to 21. And then we start going to the right. So we'll pull it, combination on each number. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12 and then 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 39. Okay, it opened on 39. So the combination would be 15, 21, 39. That's the way you get the combination. Now again, it won't work on every single lock, but it works on quite a few of them. If you want to know more about padlocks and how they work, check out my course number 22 on padlocks.